In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect Galaxy earbuds to PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Regardless of which model of Galaxy earbuds you have, they will most likely be connected over Bluetooth. The problem with this is that even as of today in 2025, the PlayStation 5, PlayStation 5 Slim, PlayStation 5 Pro do not support Bluetooth audio devices. This makes the process a little bit more complicated because essentially you have to use an adapter. You will still be able to do this, but you need to purchase an adapter. The one that I'm going to be recommending in this video is this one from Ugreen. Ugreen makes a lot of quality adapters, so it's the one that I would always go for. It is a little bit more expensive, however, it will 100% work for the PlayStation 5, and as you can see, it supports various different earbuds. Even though they don't mention the Galaxy Buds here specifically, it will work flawlessly. So what you will be doing, as you can see according to the picture, is to plug the adapter into any of the available ports on the PlayStation 5. For that particular model, it has to be a USB-C port, but of course you can find USB-A adapters as well. And once you plug it into any of these available ports, press the button on the back of the adapter. So this button will enable pairing mode on the adapter. Now, if you open the lid on your Galaxy earbuds, they should go into pairing mode immediately. If they don't, or if you have a particular model like the Galaxy Buds Pro 3, you might have to press a specific button at the back of the case, such as this one here. By pressing the button and enabling pairing mode, now it is going to be detectable by the adapter and it will connect itself to the adapter, which in turn will take all of the audio from the PlayStation 5 and feed it into the Galaxy earbuds. It is unfortunate that you have to use this workaround, but it is by far the best option to get this done. And like I said before, you don't need to strictly use this adapter from Ugreen. Any Bluetooth adapter for the PlayStation 5 will work as long as it is compatible with the console and you are able to connect the earbuds to the adapter to listen to all of the audio being output by the PlayStation 5. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Galaxy earbuds to PlayStation 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.